in our drive. In our pen drive, trailing is not working.
Trailing is not working. So maybe that's an older version. Okay, so that's not a problem. Maybe that's an older version of the COBOL, but in real time, definitely it will work. So don't worry about it. Okay. Give me a minute. Okay, so let's move on. So we'll try to understand something with respect to replacing. Okay. So both are same actually. So let me write something like 0, 1. So str clause a of 20. So let me do something called as what string value. I'll give Newton input like itself. Newton input. So now see. So what I will do is like let us first display directly str. So then I will do something like inspect str replacing so let me do something called as what replace e. Okay, so e by so let me give something maybe one I will give. Okay, then we'll try to display str. Let me remove these lines. So if I execute this, what happens? The entire string replacing all. See, that's way you can replace e with what? 1 very easily. Wherever there is a e, you can simply replace with 1. Hope it's clear, right? So why exactly replace will work? It will replace a particular character with particular character. So if you want multiple character replacement, that's also possible. So for example, see, I will be trying to replace info. So I'll give something else of info. Okay, so in info where let me give something like ABCD. Definitely it will be converted into ABCD. You can see the info has been replaced with ABCD. Now, so let me one question. Let's suppose there are 4 characters here. I'm trying to replace with 3 characters. Do you think it will work? No. So it will throw you error. So that means what? The sizes should be same. The sizes should be same. The replaceable value, replacing value should be same. Is that clear? Any questions so far? Any questions so far? Hope you are understanding. Yes, no. Hope you can hear my voice. Yes, no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm giving something like what? INIT. Just tell me.
Sir, if you are replacing all, I mean, we are using info now, sir. In that place, if you use new NEW by ABC, in that before previously we replaced E by 1. Will it continue that or it will replace the ABC?
No, right. It's already 1 is there now, so there is no new. Actually, we have what? N1W, right?
Okay. Because in the taken in the next step we are using ABC now, sir. E will be replaced by E.
Sorry?
In the 10th step we are using info now, sir.
Yeah, I'm replacing info with ABCD because info is already present.
Yes, yes. In the info plus if we use new by ABC.
There is no new right away because you can see the new has been changed to N1W. There is no new.
Okay, okay, sir.
If there is a new, yes, you can change it, but there is no new. See, So after first replacement, this is the value. After second replacement, this is the value. After third replacement, this is the value.
Okay.
And sir, one more thing. If we there info by ABCD, if we give E also fifth letter, it's overriding or it continue.
Which one?
Info is the fourth character. ABCD is also four character. If we give ABCD E fifth character also we can give.
No, it will not work. No matching. So the sizes should be same. Mandatory. Otherwise, it will throw you error. Operand differ in size.
Okay, we can give three characters.
No. Size should be mandatorily same.
Okay.
So if you want, you can give something like this. Okay. Space. Add a space here. This will work. You can see space has been added. But the sizes should be same. So including spaces is also fine.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
STR data type is alphabetic and how it is taking numeric.
Yeah. So it is a new compiler option, right? So don't worry about it.
Okay.
See, we have several versions of the COBOL. So let me take it something X. So whenever you want to perform a computation, then only it will try to face the problem. So I will show you that in the even mainframe compiler also. So you will not face any problem. But at the time of moving, if you are trying to move the value like 1, 2, 3, 4 to numer alphabetic, then it will throw error. But if you are accepting, it will accept. I'll show you the mainframe as well. Now see what happens. So this way, so we are replacing 1 back with E before initial space. That means what? So before initial space, 1 will be replaced with E, but after initial space, it is as it is. And the same case with this. The same case with this. So again, so I will take back this again so that I will change it ABCD again back to info. So this way, so we are retaining the string again. So we are retaining the string again. Info. So again, so finally you got news and imported back. So hope it's clear till now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So
Yes,
still
sir.
we have so many things. Okay. Still we have so many things. Like we have something called as what first character replacement also. So if you want like simply, so you can say, so we don't know the position, but I want to change the first A to B or something like this. So this is my requirement. So simply you can say, right, inspect str replacing first. So I can say first E by, so maybe I will say something called as what 9. Then we will discuss something called as what str. So that means what, wherever there is a first E, it doesn't matter where exactly the position is, it will simply replace with 9. It will simply replace with 9. Hope it's clear. So here there is a first E, for the other reason it has been replaced with 9. Any questions in this?
No, sir.
Okay. So it doesn't matter with the position. So we are just replacing the first character only. But previous cases, what happens? All the E's will be replaced with the so whatever the replaceable character. But here it is not the case. Second is not it. Okay. Only first is. No. So we have also something called as what? We can replace a particular 5 characters or 6 characters, replacing first. So we don't know what exact first characters by. Let's see how it works. Actually, you have to. Okay, give me a minute. Let, let us give some hit and try. Okay. Okay, guys, it is not working here. Okay, but try it in the mainframe environment. So it is one of the latest thing which has been added. So try it in your mainframe environment. Maybe it will work. So here it is not working, but yes, it is available. So I'm just commenting it so that it will be available for you. So what we are doing? So replacing first 5 characters. So it might be anything because I have recently used this in one of the program. So it is working there, but here it is not working. Not a big deal. So maybe this is an older version of the program. Here. So we have this functionality, first characters by 9. So we can give something on the sort Z anything. So this way you can replace the first 5 position, 6 position as per your need. Fine. Now see, let's also understand the combination of both. So we'll see it's like combination of replacing and tallying. So, but the thing is like we have to follow some thing. So first of all, we have to use tallying, then only we can use replacing. But if you are using replacing and tallying next, it will not work. First, it should be tallying, then it should be replacing, then only it will work. So let us see something on this what inspect str tally. What shall we do? Okay. I'll declare something like a count variable. Picture class CNT for all E, for all E. And then we'll talk about something also replacing. Replacing all E by 1. Something. Or maybe 8. Then we'll try to understand display str and also display. That means what this way, so we can understand how many E's were replaced. So here you can see the count of E's, and here you can see the count of it will be event replaced for it. Now see, both will perform the action. So how many E's were there? There were 2 E's, so it has been replaced with 8. Is that clear? So because we are replacing E with 9 here, so that's the reason. So we have only 2 E's present here. This is the first E and this is the second E, and you can see both has been replaced with 8, and you can also see the count as well. So hope you're understanding. So you can use a combination of tallying and replacing also, but so it will work only if the tallying first and replacing is second, but it will not work in vice versa. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Any questions? No questions? All clear? Very good. So this is with respect to inspect. I believe I covered everything. Let me think if I'm missing something. Yeah, I think I covered everything. Yeah, I think I missed something. Let me explain that also. So let us try to understand one more thing. So finally, if we have like So one thing is missing. So let's see that. Inspect